how much should you actually spend on an electric scooter? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, VOLPAM electric scooter. First up is the VOLPAM electric scooter, priced at just $99.98. What stood out to me was its powerful motor options ranging from 250W to 1000W, making it versatile for different riders. If you want a reliable and fun ride for your kids without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This is perfect for kids learning to ride. The lower speeds ensure a safer experience. With a max range of up to 10 miles on a single charge, it's great for short school runs or neighborhood adventures. Plus, the LED display lets you easily keep track of speed and battery life, which is super helpful. Now, some users did mention that the assembly can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, most parents appreciate that it arrives 95% assembled, so you're really just tightening a few screws and getting ready to ride. This is a minor inconvenience considering the price and features. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, kid-friendly scooter. Skip this one if you're after something with high speed for adults, as it's really designed for younger riders. Product number 2, MaxShot electric scooter. Next up, we have the MaxShot electric scooter, retailing at $159.98. The first thing that grabbed my attention was its robust 350W motor that promises a smooth ride at speeds up to 16 mph. If you're looking for a solid commuter scooter that doesn't skimp on performance, this one deserves your attention. The smart app integration is another cool feature. You can control speed modes and track your battery life right from your phone. Plus, the dual braking system enhances safety, especially at higher speeds, and the solid tires mean fewer worries about flats. However, a few reviews pointed out that the weight of 26 pounds can be cumbersome for some. But honestly, if you're using it for commuting, that weight is manageable, especially considering its durability and performance. This is great for adults or teens looking for a reliable scooter for city travel. Skip this if you need something ultralight or if you prefer a more compact model to carry around. Product number 3, LING-TNG electric scooter. Coming up next is the LING-TNG electric scooter, priced at just $86.99. What caught my eye is its kid-friendly design and the 2-speed modes, making it perfect for kids aged 6-10. If you want a safe, fun, and affordable scooter for your child, this is definitely worth considering. With a maximum speed of 6 mph and an adjustable height, this scooter grows with your child and ensures a safe riding experience. Plus, the flashy wheels and lights add a fun element that kids absolutely love. Now, some parents mention that the battery life could be better, as it only lasts about 65 minutes of ride time. But here's the deal, this scooter is primarily for short rides around the neighborhood, so for most kids, that's enough to keep them entertained. This is perfect if you're looking for a safe and fun scooter for kids. Skip this if you need something for older kids or long commutes, as it's really designed for younger riders. Product number 4, Valhil electric scooter. Next, let's talk about the Valhil electric scooter, priced at $148.96. The first thing to note is the vibrant design that really stands out. If you want a stylish scooter that's also powerful, this is a great option. Equipped with a 350W motor, it can hit speeds of up to 16 mph with a range of up to 16 miles. What I really liked was its lightweight and foldable design, making it easy to carry around when needed. Plus, the app connectivity allows you to monitor your ride stats in real time. However, some users found the battery charge time a bit long at around 5 hours. But honestly, if you're using it for daily commutes, charging it overnight is a minor inconvenience. This is ideal for teens and adults who need a stylish and functional scooter for short trips. Skip it if you're looking for a heavy-duty option for long-distance rides. Product number 5, Hop Cycle electric scooter. Finally, we have the Hop Cycle electric scooter, priced at $159.98. The first thing that struck me was its powerful 500W motor that allows for speeds up to 18 mph. If you want a strong performance at an affordable price, this might be your best bet. With a maximum range of 21 miles, it's perfect for those longer commutes. And with 8.5-inch pneumatic tires, you get a smooth ride over various terrains, which is a must for city riding. However, some users reported that the scooter can be a bit bulky when folded. But honestly, if you're using it primarily for commuting, the extra weight can often mean better durability. This is great for adults looking for a reliable and powerful scooter for city travel. Skip it if you need something ultra-compact and lightweight for easy transport. So there you have it, 5 solid electric scooters under $200. Whether you're looking for something for kids, a stylish commute, or a powerful ride, there's something on this list for everyone. Just remember to consider your needs and preferences before making a decision.